Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to flash your BENQ drive for your Xbox 360 using Jungle Flasher. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have the latest Jungle Flasher installed, which I'll put a link to in the description. And so right now it's 0.1.96 beta, and so this is for a BENQ drive. So you want to make sure you have it's on your disk drive. It's going to say Philips and BENQ Digital Storage Corporation. So you want to make sure that that's the type of Xbox 360 disk drive that you have. And so I'm using the X360 USB Pro version 2 for my hookup to do this. And so you want to make sure that you have it hooked up, everything hooked up to the SATA and the power and everything. And then you want to come over to Jungle Flasher, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh it. And as you can see, I have a PBDS VAD6038. VAD6038 pretty much means that means it's a BENQ. And so yeah, you're going to come over to this MTK Flash 32 over here. And first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to click on BENQ Unlock. And so what that's going to do, it's going to send over magic keys to the drive. And it'll just take a few seconds. And as you can see, it's now pulled up my flash chip properties, and I'm in vendor mode, which is the mode you need to be in to be able to flash a disk drive. And so you can see all the details down here. So yeah, so the next thing you want to do is click on read, and it's going to read read bank 0, 1, 2, and 3, and then it's going to give you your official firmware, and you're going to go ahead and save that. So I already have a separate folder, and I already have a bunch of drives on here. So I'm going to just go ahead and make a new folder call it BENQ YouTube. Yeah, you're going to want to save this folder, and you want to save this somewhere where you'll remember, because this is an important thing. And so then you're going to get a pop-up that says, do you want to auto-load BENQ LT Plus? And you're going to say yes. And see, it's going to go ahead and load up the firmware they're going to be flashing, which is LT Plus 3.0. And as you can see, this disk drive already has LT Plus 3.0, but that's because I've already done it before. I'm just going through the process to show you how to do it. So you're going to come back over to MTK Flash 32, and you're going to actually first go back to the firmware tool 32, and you're going to want to go ahead and just save your key, and it'll go ahead and pop up a few other things to save. Go ahead and save those. Then you're also going to click on this button down here that says save to file, and that will save your custom firmware that you just created, which is what this is down here. And so now you're going to come back over to MTK Flash 32, and you're going to click on Write. And it's going to erase your current chipset, and then it's going to write the new one on banks 0, 1, 2, and 3. So those will just take a few seconds. So now it's just verifying that it all flashed correctly. And when you see this write verified OK, that means you've flashed your drive and it's all good. And important, before you finish up, you need to click on outro/ATA reset, and that just gets you out of vendor mode. And yeah, so now you can see back in regular mode, and I've flashed the disk drive to LT Plus 3.0, and should be all good now. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped.